Well, you wouldn't drive your car for years without maintenance. So why do you expect your business IT to run without it? Hey everyone, Stan's here. Stan's Garage is the channel where your business and IT makes sense. And hopefully it doesn't put you to sleep. Well, today I want to talk to you about something a lot of business owners get wrong. Why you need ongoing IT management, even when nothing seems broken. And to make it easy, let's talk cars. IT is more like your car than you think. Yeah, they're both pieces of technology, but hear me out on this. So congratulations, you just bought a brand new car. It's shiny, it drives smooth, it smells great. This is success. There's nothing like that new car smell, am I right? Now, would you skip oil changes, ignore that weird grinding noise, or never replace the brakes just because it still runs? And of course not, right? You know that car needs regular oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, battery checks, and the occasional deep repair. Well, just to enlighten you, IT systems are kind of the same way. Just because your computer turns on and seems to use the internet just fine, doesn't mean everything's all good behind the scenes. Just because your server is accessible doesn't mean it's safe. Without regular management, we're talking about updates, patches, monitoring, security checks. All these small issues will build up until, boom, total breakdown. Preventative maintenance is going to save you thousands in the long run, maybe more depending on the size of your environment. If you skip car maintenance, you could end up paying $5,000 or more for a new engine instead of $50 for an oil change. It's the same concept in IT. Neglected systems can easily fall victim to cyber attacks, which will cause your business to suffer major downtime, a high chance of losing critical data, and a bunch of frustrated employees. And that's not to mention the cost of remedying all these emergencies. Good IT management keeps your systems and hardware tuned up so you avoid those costly engine rebuilds. Car insurance is tantamount to IT security. So let's talk protection. You don't buy car insurance because you plan to crash. You buy it because life happens. Accidents, theft, storms, you can't predict them, but you can be ready. In IT, cybersecurity is your insurance. Firewalls, antivirus, threat monitoring, and backup and disaster recovery. You hope you never need it, but when you do, you'll be oh so very glad that it's there. Because without it, well, one good cyber attack could wreck your business faster than a head-on collision in that shiny new car. Think of tuning up your car as the updates and patches that you regularly see from your operating system. Remember when you ignored that check engine light for 3 weeks? It cost you about $1,000? Well, your IT systems send their own signals too. That nagging, outdated software, unpatched vulnerabilities, and that weird thing your computer does when it randomly slows down. IT management means someone is monitoring for problem signs and updating your systems as they need to be. An IT team will patch a vulnerability faster than you can experience the issue and before it's able to exploit the system. The vehicle is kept in great running condition almost automatically. Now, emergency roadside assistance, well, that's your IT support. Flat tire, dead battery, you call roadside assistance. In IT, things sometimes still happen. Whether it's some kind of cyber attack or hack, a network hiccup, a hardware failure, or let's face it, just plain old user error. Ongoing IT management gives you that roadside help when you need it. Get a quick response, minimize damage, leading to a faster return to normal. You don't want to be stranded on the side of the IT highway Googling how to fix ransomware at 2 a.m. on a Friday night. Just like with your car, taking care of your IT really isn't optional if you want it to perform well and stay reliable. Ongoing management, maintenance, and protection are what turn it works right now into it works great when you need it the most. If your business doesn't have that level of support yet, or if you're stuck fixing things only when they break, reach out to a quality IT provider in your neighborhood. Someone like us will keep you running, tuned up, protected, and making sure you could drive your business forward without surprise breakdowns. Thanks for listening. I'd love to hear your comments below, and I'll catch you on the next one.